Yep, you seen the title in the thumbnail. You already know them groceries. I'm gonna show you guys how to make chicken, bacon, ranch quesadillas. Now, if you're a fan of quesadillas, you're definitely gonna love this one. Get in your kitchen, let's go. All right, let's do a quick rundown. Right here, we have some rotisserie chicken. Now, guys, you don't have to use rotisserie chicken. You can also cook your own chicken and just dice it up. It's totally up to you. I started to go that route by preparing my own chicken, but I said, let me dumb it down a little bit and let me go with the rotisserie chicken, because some people don't have the time to make the chicken, and you can just pick up one of these rotisserie chickens and you can go ahead and get busy with this recipe. It's really, really easy. So right here we have our flour tortillas. We have some bacon. Now, if you don't eat bacon, that's fine. You can omit that bacon. Or if you want to use turkey bacon, that's fine also. Fresh cilantro, some fresh parsley, some onions, ranch dressing, some jalapenos here. You can totally omit those jalapenos if you want to. You can also add some green chilies if you want to. Right here we have some cheese, and we're going to use some butter. Now, I like to cook my quesadillas in a lot of butter. I know that's not good for me, but hey, it's just this one time. So I like to cook mine in butter. You can also use just regular canola oil or vegetable oil, but I like that buttery taste on my quesadilla. So let's get to it. Now, I know I could have pre-cooked the bacon, but I know you guys like to see me cooking bacon. But all we're going to do is get our pan heated up. I add a little bacon grease in here already. And once it gets up to temperature, we're just gonna start adding our bacon. All right, guys, so we're finishing up our last piece of bacon. So we're gonna go ahead and turn this off. We're gonna move our bacon over to our cutting board so we can get it chopped up into bite-sized pieces. Okay, so we have our chopped bacon here. We're just gonna sit this aside. I'm gonna bring over our chicken. And with my chicken, I'm gonna cut the breast because I want the white meat in here. It really doesn't matter, just all your preference, but you know, I'm gonna do the white meat, leave some of that skin. I like that skin for flavor. So these breasts, 2 breasts gave me like 2 cups of chicken. So we're gonna start off with that. That should be more than enough. Also for some leftovers or later on in the day. All right, so before we get over to the cooktop, what we're gonna do now is start combining all our ingredients, mainly our chicken here. Now that we got it all cut up, the chicken, the onions, the bacon, our jalapenos, and our cilantro. And we're just gonna get that mixed up here in this bowl, get it all combined. Take a few minutes to make sure that it's well combined. And now what we're gonna do is add our ranch dressing. Gonna get that mixed up also. That was about 1/4 of a cup of ranch dressing. I'm gonna add just a little bit more. I want it a little bit wetter than what it is. Not too dry. So that looks about right. Now this looks about right, so now let's move over to our tortillas. All right, so let's start preparing our tortillas. So I'm gonna start with some cheese here, and we're gonna do it on the bottom portion, the bottom half of your tortillas. You guys, use as much or as little cheese as you want. And I got a mixture here of Colby Jack and cheddar. I had some leftover, a little bit of Colby Jack left over. I said, let me go ahead and put this to work, which definitely is gonna work. Now all we're gonna do is we're gonna take our chicken mixture and we're gonna add that to the top, just like that. Again, add as much or as little as you like. I'm making mine pretty meaty, just like that, guys. And all you're gonna do is you're gonna fold that baby up like this. Make sure you keep everything inside. And we're gonna move this over to the side because we're gonna prepare 2 more. All right, so we have all our quesadillas prepared. Now let's jump over to our cooktop so we get these babies in that hot pan, all right? All right, so let's go ahead and get our cooktop on. We're gonna set this up over medium heat. We're gonna start adding about 1 tablespoon of butter. The butter's been sitting out, it looks like it's already melting. And guys, remember, you can use olive oil or canola oil, whatever you want to use. But we're going to use some of that butter for this one here. All right, once that butter starts to melt, you want to add your quesadilla. And we're going to cook this until it browns on both sides. So you're probably going to do about a couple of minutes on each side. And also a good indicator is when the cheese starts melting around the edges. That's a good indicator too. All right, guys, we're working on our last quesadilla right here. I'm gonna bring this close to the camera because I want you guys just to saliva. Look at that. Oh, man. All right, let's get over to our cutting board and we can get into our final presentation and quality control. All right, so this is the last step. All 4 of our quesadillas, they're ready to go, guys. I don't want to waste any more time. Let's cut into them, get into quality control so we can go ahead and taste it out, all right? And there you have it, guys. Chicken, bacon, ranch quesadillas. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. Let's jump into quality control. I'm ready to test it out. Let's go. Y'all know it's quality control time, man. Take a look at this right here. You know we come to the front of the congregation around quality control time, so y'all guys can take a look at it. Without further ado, let's get into this baby here. Golly, boy. Oh, man. Whenever you introduce cheese and bacon along with some chicken, how can you go wrong? It's almost like when I did the potatoes, cheese, and bacon. Hey, you can't go wrong with that combination. So, guys, there ain't no need for me to go on and on about this. You already know these are groceries. So, to the end, I'm your cook, Spinell, all wings, everything. And remember, I'm not a chef. I just cook a lot. And now I'm out. Peace.